Today I received these two package. Let me try to set you better here. It's so hard sometimes. And this one. These ones comes from Heba Alsibai creates, and it's stamps, and this one is something that I wanted to see about Coco Daisy, and I'm having a hard time to really get into the subscription, but I want to see if I really like these. Let's go for this one. I'm sure that if you know Coco Daisy, you saw this one already, but I'm curious about the product. This is the Creative Kit. It didn't take so long on camera, and it's a very old, not very old, I think it's September. The only one that I was able to get my hands on. And I'm still trying to subscribe. Oh my gosh. How much? Okay. So I will take from here because it's easier. Comes with this little wrapping. I think when you pay for the deluxe sets of some of the kits, you get like a little folder or something. Oh, never mind. I get a folder. A plastic one. Okay, let's see what it comes. First you have stickers. Oh, these are rub I think that is how you call. Has the little thing there, and yes, they are. They're actually really cute. Pretty nice. So you can create little things on the planners. I like this. This is a good one. Oh, then you have these. They are the beta stickers. Means that they are very thin material. We'll use the white of this. And they're really cute too. A lot of butterflies. Yeah, very, very thin. Good one too. Two of two good. This will be the sticker sheet that they have. It's a small one, and then it has few stickers, not a lot. And then I see another one. I think they are changing this. These two or three will not be here anymore for what I was reading. And I will be honest, I don't use these. So I'm okay. This is cute, but having the other ones, I'm okay too. Then comes, these are, they have tabs. They have, are they sticky? Okay, they're sticky and they are a little hard. So you will feel this one sorry, on the paper. It's not like cardboard thickness, but still have a little of hard thing. So now this is making me think, and they're very small things. Then you have these tabs that you can use. This looks not bad, but the hardener of these is something that you will feel in your paper, just to let you know. But they are good. Here, oh, these are more like if you do scrapbooking or project life. Very tiny. Okay. Summer vibes. Glorious mess. Two more or favorite things. August. Okay, they're very tiny and they're cardboard, by the way. So believe it or not, I was kind of obsessed with this kit, and now I am rethinking about that. This will be an add-on that comes, not add-on, but they always give you something interesting. When you watch the video, it looks like this is bigger than this size. But they are like, I think they're stickers. I like these, and it is not so thick. So I actually am winning a few extra stickers, but it's not always in this way. They're actually really cute. I'm sure that I can use in my planner totally. And wow, I don't think they repeat at all. Or maybe yes, yeah, I don't know, so many. But like I say, this is just an extra that they always have, and it's something different every time. I've seen that sometimes they have like a planner or colors or something different, because being the creative kid, try to push your creativity to do something interesting. Then you have a stamp. Oh, it's a stamp, and this one that you can use the stamp also to give the color. So butterflies, that's actually also another extra with this. Not extra, but it's what it change every month. And the last thing is washi tape. Okay, so this is the washi tape. It's cute. More butterflies. And like I say, this one was the only one that was available in that time. And then you have this paper marker. What I'm thinking about these. First, these little cards, okay, it will be great for you use on maybe memory keeping, but it's still also very tiny. They are not sticky. They are really cardboard harder. Let me see, compare with these ones. These are a little more thin. Yeah. But I'm still thinking that these ones will be, maybe, are not so hard like the ones that I got in my Archer and Olive, so this can pass. This is a possibility that I can use and be happy using. So it's okay. I will say I can deal with these ones. Then this will not be something that I really will use. Washi tape. Of course, I always can use the washi tape, and it's a good idea. The stamp's the same. This is a really nice thing. I was looking again in the website. They will be doing this, but these square things, I like it, and I don't like it at the same time. I don't know if I'm being too picky, but that's my idea. Like I say, these are not anymore in the website. On this package, so it's just cute to have now, but I know that I will not have it. These are really nice. I like these ones, so these are good. Now, in base of what I'm getting here and how I'm feeling, there is another option that I think will suit me better. I think it's exactly the same price. It's the journaling kit. It has just little things, like it has this rub on thing that I like. It has, I didn't have the option to get those ones because this was the only available. It has the peta stickers. It comes with washi tape. It has this without the tags. What else it has? Has a postcard that is related to the theme. Sometimes has like a wooden stamp or something different. The only things that I don't like that it has extra, well, actually has a volume and a clear paper that I can figure out what to do with those. It has one of those pin bottoms that I don't know why you get, and sticky notes. Those are two things that I don't think are good. But doing the comparison with this and this, maybe I will subscribe to that one for a little time and see what I think, how I feel. And it is right now available, so I have to jump and do it, or I would not have the opportunity. It's that hard to get the subscription. Okay, let's open this one. Can I open like this? And this is Heba Alsibai. She has a YouTube channel and she is amazing with her planner. That is inspiring me to get a different planner too. That's really cute. And then a private message here that I will leave there. And let's see what I got. I think I need to come a little closer. These are stamps that she created. And I have, this is the, I don't know if the glare is being available. So we will take it from here. It has Netflix and chill, murder shows. I love it. This is my guilty pleasure. Certified binge watcher. Friday night, I am in love. TV control, it's movie night. Couch potatoes, oh, to rank the movie seasons and watching. So very cute. I had also hard time to get these ones because she sold out her stamps really fast. This it's so hard to get something like this, and I was happy when I saw that she created these. It's period socks, of course, and the you know, female stuff, just me and my crumbs and a heat pad. Yes, tea, obviously. Period fuel. Totally. Don't talk to me, I'm about to start my period. Menopause is not for sissies. Medicated for everyone's safety. I'm still hot. I'm still hot. It just comes in flashes. And then your period countdown. And I am in this transition, like sometimes I get every month and sometimes it doesn't come for 1 month or 2. I think it's the perimenopause name. So I wanted it so bad. I am sorry if any guy is watching, but that's part of female life. Normal. And then I got days of the week. I love days of the week. As you can see, I have so many different kinds, but some of them are not good. They really lose the sticky part, and I want to try these ones more with how I do in my planner. So you have just Monday to Sunday with the complete name. It's a moments from and then short. Yeah, very cute. Notes from, top 3 moments. And we will see. I hope this one don't lose the stickiness. But I think she has other ones that I would love to see after I test these ones. And I will put a link to this and the other stuff. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little haul. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.